Hi guys! Today we're going to use Google Translate. Honestly, this tool is amazing because it lets you translate text, images, and even entire websites instantly. First, unlock your phone and open Google either through the app or any web browser. This will be the starting point for accessing Google Translate. Once you're in Google, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and type translate.google.com. You'll see the link appear right below in the search results. Simply tap it, and this will open the Google Translate page. It's really fast and easy. Once Google Translate is open, you'll see a big text box in the middle of the screen. This is where you type or paste the text you want to translate. You can enter sentences, paragraphs, or even just a word. Once you type it, the translation process starts automatically. After entering your text, look at the top right side of the text box. Here you'll see the language selection for the translation, tap on it, and a full list of languages will appear. You can choose the one you want your text to be translated into, like Arabic, Spanish, or any other language. From the list, simply tap the language you want. For example, if your text is in English and you want it in Arabic, select Arabic. Instantly, Google Translate will display your text in the chosen language below. It's that quick. Google Translate isn't just for typed text, also supports images. Tap the camera or upload icon, choose an image with text, and Google Translate will automatically detect and translate the words. This is perfect for translating signs, menus, or any printed text on the go. Finally, after your translation is ready, you can copy the text or share it directly. Look at the bottom of the translated text box for the copy and share buttons, then tap whichever you need. This makes sending translations fast and easy. And that's it. That's how you can easily translate text and images with Google Translate in just a few simple steps. Honestly, it's a lifesaver if you're working with multiple languages or traveling abroad. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us which app feature you'd like to see explained next.